You come into your cultivation, land of cultivation, however you wish. Is that respecting a lady? The women's wish, irrelevant. Your wish is the only thing that matters. A sex cult. Prepubescent girls. Prepubescent girls. Or objects that you have sexual intercourse with and can even divorce them.
Why he cannot defend his God
Excuse me,
who's
sir.
a pimp? I would say pimp. The one who's supplying women to the neighbor is a pimp.
At Speaker's Corner, if you have been wearing your black cloth for too long, clearly things would be really hot. Yeah, because Shalini was harassed there. So dear friends, this book, the Quran, is not fit for purpose. This book should not have walked into Speaker's Corner at all. This book doesn't belong to Speaker's Corner. At Speaker's Corner, you know what belongs? At Speaker's Corner, only things that can think belongs. This being a clueless book, this being a utter junk, it belongs to the closest tip, not at Speaker's Corner. At Speaker's Corner, my dear Muslim friends, if you wander away and somehow end up at Speaker's Corner, please be aware you will be given information which will make you leave your religion. Are you Muslim, sir? You are. Please come here, sir. Please come and explain. There was a gentleman who was trying to help us earlier. You are the second gentleman to help.
Gotcha.
How long have you been reading the Quran, sir?
Since I was born.
How long?
31 years, 32 years and 3 days. 2 days, sorry.
32 years
3 days.
and 3 days. Now, 2 days. Now we know your date of birth. Okay. Anyway, happy birthday to you.
Thank you,
That's good.
appreciate
Lovely.
you.
Now,
He's a
so you've
Muslim?
been reading this for Muslim.
Okay.
You have been reading this for a long time.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to try with the first one. We'll spend a few minutes on this. How does this book? Please show us something from this book that helps us understand that women and men are intrinsically equal in value.
You're putting me on the spot here. I don't have this whole thing memorized. I live by it. That's the
Yeah,
thing.
you live by it, which is much better. He lives
Yeah.
by it, so he knows much better. At least he's not memorizing. That's really good.
I mean,
now that he has lived,
I'd love to be a hafiz. I'm trying to. I maybe
he's even a hafiz.
8 verses into Al-Baqarah. I'm trying to get the first 10. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to do.
Now that he's even trying to be a hafiz, but more importantly, he is living, not carefully, living by this book for 32 years, and 2 days. 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days. He would know it inside out right now. So please help us understand.
Yes, sir.
What do you find in the Quran? Anyway, you don't have to show me the reference.
Gotcha.
But something somewhere that tells you in Islam, according to this Quran,
Yeah. I got you.
I don't need mythical ideas.
Gotcha.
According to the Quran, women and men are intrinsically equal in value.
I wish I could show you that because I don't think, I don't want you guys to get me wrong here. I believe men and women are different. You know what I mean? Biologically.
I understand. You and I are different. You and I are different. We're not the same, are we?
Yeah.
Clearly, we are different.
Yeah.
In many ways. Likewise, men and women, of course, clearly are different. No one is asking if men and women are completely equal. I'm only asking if they are intrinsically equal according to this book. Equal in value, please.
In dignity and value.
Intrinsically.
I would agree. Again, you would have to show me if.
Okay,
you,
sure.
Gotcha.
In other words, you are struggling. That's good.
No worries.
32 years waste of time. Now let me give you some examples. Now at least you're humble. That's good. At least you're still smiling. That's good. Now please ask me, sir. Now let me tell you a few things. Yeah, you tell me if the points that I'm going to make right now in a rapid fire manner. Tell me if these points actually give value to women. For example, according to this book, women are sex objects. They are like irrigable land. Men go into them and
they're like,
irrigate as per their own wish. Men
Irrigate?
decide.
Men decide, women are merely, passively available to be irrigated. Is that respecting to the women?
I mean, no, I see women almost like a flower. You know what I mean? Something you have
I know
to
you see that.
feed
I'm
and
trying to find out what the
cultivate.
Quran says, not what you think.
If they
you
says-
may think, where are you
could-
from?
You could show
Where
me.
are you from, sir?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. You shouldn't be a Muslim, sir. And what I'm saying right now, 10 points, you should leave Islam and come to, because you think women are to be
could you-
like flowers,
Yeah.
not irrigable land, and
Can you
the
show me
Quran-
where in the Quran it says women are sex objects that need to be irrigated?
If I did show, what would you do?
I would have to disagree with that,
Good.
or I would need to find.
Fine,
Please.
fine. That's good. So when we find that, the gentleman here would disagree with that. Let me 1 second. I need to find Surah 2. Surah 2, that much I remember. I just need to find out the exact ayah. Yeah. So
Land you can plow.
just give me 1 second. Just 1 second. Let me find out quickly.
You're asking ChatGPT. You're not asking the Quran.
No,
brother.
my notes. Check this out.
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Only 3 years of reading the Quran.
That's not the Quran. It's
Excuse me,
just the coming takeover of something about Islam. That's not the
Yeah,
Quran,
that's a book that I'm writing right now.
You're an author.
I am. 32 years and not having a clue versus
again-
3 years and having much clue is much better. Yeah, what do you think? My dear
I'm
friend,
still
what do
waiting.
you-
I'm still waiting, sir.
Yeah, please.
Moral problems.
Yeah,
Treatment of
women.
polygamy.
Yeah, please. So 2223. Surah 2, Ayah 223 or 222 maybe. That's where it starts. Let's see. Surah 2, Ayah 223.
Got you. You want me
Check
to
this
read
out.
it? You want me to
Yeah,
read it?
please.
Got you. Please. And they ask you about menstruation.
223, sir.
Oh, 223. I'm sorry about that. Your wives are a place of cultivation, i.e., sowing of seed for you. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth righteousness for yourselves and fear Allah and know that you will meet Him and
See?
give good tidings to the believers. Yeah.
Yeah. What does it say?
Does it say anything about irrigating or
Okay. Yeah, clearly confused. Now I understand.
cultivation? Cultivating, no? Should I just say
Now,
about
once,
land or...
once.
Gotcha.
32 years, no clue. I understand now how. He's asking, does it say anything about irrigation? We'll try and read again. Surah 2,
Cultivation.
Surah 2, Ayah 223.
Brother, how do you
Your
cultivate-
wives, please listen.
No, brother,
Please,
I'm not
listen.
married yet.
Please listen.
Gotcha.
Your wives are a place of cultivation. What is a place of cultivation? Within bracket, for people like you, sowing of seed for you.
How do you cultivate land? Do you not
Yeah.
care for it? You give it water?
You see, now he's
you
already
tend to
waffling.
it?
What did he say earlier?
Waffling.
Excuse me, sir.
UK
What did he say
slang.
earlier? He said he will only say women are like flower. And if he says that the Quran says women are irrigable land, he said he will say that he will disagree with it.
It said right
What
there,
does it say?
irrigable land. No, it says irrigable land. What does it say there?
Okay, let me give you two phrases.
your
Irrigable.
book.
Excuse me, sir. Please stay focused. Yeah,
I'm
you're
very
waffling on
focused.
right now. You are making others be like you. 32 years clueless. Please don't do that. Irrigable land, cultivatable land. Are they both different? In people who know in English, irrigable land, cultivatable land. Are they two different things? Same thing. Cultivatable land, irrigable land. They are both the same.
I would say you're changing
Let's
the words of
move
the
on.
Quran, brother.
Excuse me, sir. You are discrediting your own silly religion. Let's further read, please. Thank you. For you, so come to your place of cultivation, however you wish. Note carefully. Between men and women, what are Muslims supposed to do? Come into your cultivatable land, however you wish. The women's wish, irrelevant. Your wish is the only thing that matters. A sex cult. Come to your place. Please help us understand, my dear friend. What's your name?
Tamim.
Tamim from Afghanistan. Please help us understand. So come to your place of cultivation, however you wish, and put
However
forth
I wish.
and put forth yourselves. Is that respecting the lady?
It's not, but I don't want to use you as an example. If I came to you, miss, I don't want to be disrespectful. If I came to you and I was going to come to you as any way I wanted, would you even give me the time of day?
Excuse me, sir. Please don't focus on a child. Stay focused here.
How old are
Please.
you? I didn't mean that. No worries.
Ignore. Let's ask this again.
I get rejected.
Excuse me, sir. Please ask this again. Let's ask this again. and then try and see if you still have shame or not. Yeah? Please stay focused. Your wives are a place of cultivation.
You're reading the same verse. We already read it, man.
I know. But 32 years clueless, we're trying to understand now. We're trying to make improvements right now to your life, yeah? Your wives are a place of cultivation for you. So come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth yourselves for yourselves. Is that respecting the lady?
I think, again, it depends how you come forth. I didn't mean to use her as
I'll
an
tell you how.
example.
I'll tell you how you come forth.
Yes, sir.
You come forth however you wish. How can you come forth? In any way you wish.
Anyway.
In any way you wish, but not according to. You don't have to worry about the lady. Any way you wish. So you ask me however you wish.
If I didn't and I approached her in any way, I feel I would try my best to be respectful, no?
You would.
You're sweating a little bit, brother.
Tamim,
Yes, sir.
are you focused right now?
I'm focused. I'm answering your question, aren't I?
Do you have a remote Bluetooth going into your ears? Blocking hearing?
Not at all.
Good.
I had from Sony.
So you're hearing me right now.
100%.
So I am not interested in what you think about your feelings.
You're asking me
Excuse
questions.
One second. I'll clarify. I completely understand. It could be a brief misunderstanding. I'll clarify right now. I am not interested in your standalone view of what you would personally do to a woman. That's not the question asked. The question asked is Quran's view, which is you come into your cultivation, land of cultivation, however you wish, and put forth yourselves.
However
Is
you wish.
that
I just
respecting
told
the
you how
lady?
I wish I would come forth to a woman.
Yeah. Is that respecting a lady? You see, that's it. He has given an answer. Silence speaks much louder than words. When you are in trouble, stay silent. The gentleman knows. Tamim knows, at the least, even though he did not know the Quran, he doesn't have a clue about the Quran, he at least knows when you get into trouble, go silent, which is exactly what he is doing right now. Time to leave Islam, my dear friend. I'll give more details if you like. This book also says you can consider prepubescent girls as appropriate sexual objects.
Gotcha.
Would you agree with that?
I would not agree with that.
Good. Surah 65, Ayah 4 says you can take prepubescent girls.
Could you show me that, please?
So you haven't read that either?
65:4.
Okay, let's
It seems
read.
you have, so could you please?
Yeah, 3 years. 3 years, I know better. And I'm writing books. How many years you said? 32 years.
31.
31 and how many days?
2 days.
2 days and you don't know.
60.
Surah 65, Ayah 4.
65:4. I'll read it right now.
Yes, please.
And those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, if you doubt, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated. And for those who are pregnant, their term is until they give birth.
You see
And
the
whoever
second
fears
category
Allah-
there?
Yeah.
Who are the second category?
And for those who are pregnant, their term
No,
is
before
until...
that, the category before that.
And if you doubt, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated.
Yeah, those who have not menstruated. Prepubescent girls. Prepubescent girls. Or objects that you have sexual intercourse with and can even divorce them. What is it? What is the title of the chapter?
Al-talaq, al-divorce.
Al-talaq.
The divorce.
A divorce. You
There's a
can
surah
even
about it. There's a
divorce.
surah about it.
Prepubescent girls are old enough not even to have sexual intercourse, but to have sexual intercourse and to divorce them after that. Do you agree with this? Is this respecting women?
Not at all.
Not at all. So Quran is repeatedly disrespecting women. Tamim, what are you going to do? Tamim from
Repeatedly,
Afghanistan,
sorry.
please give me.
Sorry.
Don't kiss the nonsense. Would you kiss junk from the floor?
I kiss the ground 5 times a day, brother.
Excuse me, junk from the floor would you kiss?
I kiss the earth 5 times a day.
This book says prepubescent girls are appropriate sexual entities with which you can have sexual intercourse and even divorce. Is that respecting the girl and you want to kiss that book?
It is the way you're interpreting that is not respecting.
So please show me what other way you could interpret that, please.
I think I explained it to you.
You didn't.
It says come forth to
No, 65
land that
for.
you want to
We
cultivate
moved on.
however you
65
want.
for. 65
for, yes, sir.
Yeah. The prepubescent girls.
Got you.
Yeah,
It
how
says
would you
nowhere
work with-
prepubescent. It says And if you doubt, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated.
Yeah, who have not menstruated. Who are they?
Got you.
Yeah, prepubescent. Yeah,
Kids, okay.
yeah, prepubescent. So terrible. Would you want to have sexual intercourse with prepubescent girls?
Are you really going to ask me that?
Well, clearly your book. You've been reading this book for too long, haven't you?
For 32 years.
Yeah, so you have read that. I'm asking you what you have read from your book.
And you're asking me, ask that question again, sir.
So, would you have sexual intercourse with prepubescent girls?
No.
And so your book, you would disagree with. Were you angry earlier? Were you angry earlier?
Alhamdulillah.
If you do not have enough knowledge, don't argue.
Gentleman here.
Because this man is a
Gentleman
liar.
here.
He
would
cannot
get
even.
terribly
You know that word say
angry.
pubescent girl. It doesn't use the word girls.
What is written
He
in
said
the
those
Quran
women who does not have
is
periods.
something that he would
And are there
practice.
any women who doesn't have periods?
So my dear friend,
Those who have amenorrhea. Amenorrhea,
And
the
so
women
the
with
point-
amenorrhea.
all right. Are you?
So he's lying.
Yeah, he
There's
is.
nowhere the word girl.
Can you
is
see the-
used
can
there.
you see the scarf
He said
of
that
his head?
women who does
Can
not
you see
have
the scarf?
Menopause.
Are there
Do you
any
know what
grown-up
that means?
women who does not have periods?
I am here. I am here.
The women with the disease
All
called
right.
amenorrhea.
All right.
Those women who are grown-up women
Excuse me,
but
sir.
does not have period.
Excuse
the
me,
word
sir.
is used period.
Excuse
As
me,
the
sir.
women. He is a liar.
I am
He will-
here, I am here.
He will never defend his
I am
Bible
here, I am here.
when the God of the Bible supply wives
I am
of-
here, I am
wives of
here.
David to the neighbor.
I am
for
here.
open
I
sex.
am here. I am
That
here.
God who's a pimp of God of the Bible.
You know Ibn Kathir?
What's that?
You know Ibn Kathir?
Ibn Kathir,
The
yeah, yeah.
Islamic scholar.
Will you answer my
He
question?
mentions
Okay,
in
wait.
Surah
You have a
65
courage
verse
enough.
4
Will you
that it
answer my
does
question?
mean
Don't be
prepubescent
angry,
girls.
stay here.
So,
Don't
you
be
know,
angry.
if you want to
Why-
repeat Ibn
tell me
Kathir,
why-
by all means,
I gotta look it
keep
up.
that in mind.
Just
Because that is his actual
Tell me.
conclusion.
Tell me. Why God of the Bible supply? No, don't worry. Why
The
God
gen-
of the
excuse me,
Bible
sir.
supply wives
Did
of
this
David
gentleman
to
come
the
and
neighbors for
stop
open
us
sex?
in the middle
Why?
of a discussion?
Why he cannot defend his God?
Excuse me,
who's
sir.
a pimp? I would say pimp. The one who's supplying women to the neighbor is a pimp, isn't he? God of the Bible.
Excuse me, sir.
I think you want this more than I do.
Saw this man come in
God
and
says, I
interact
will
in
give
our
your wife to your
conversation.
neighbor. Can you answer my question?
I can.
right,
If
go
we
on.
finish the previous point. The
He will
previous
never.
point.
That is a trick of the Christians.
Don't-
Their point is never over.
Are you going to
One
face
after
me?
the one after the other. That's why we Muslims have never implied. We will never fall
All right.
to the trick.
Surah 65.
These
Ayah 4.
demon-possessed Christians, they could never defend their Bible, but they have asked questions.
All right.
Questions. They have questions.
all the bloody time, that's a lie.
What?
Six. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
He's
whoa,
a liar. He's a liar.
No, Muslims
You don't even know that.
lie.
Are you a Christian?
They're
Are
lying
you a
themselves.
Christian?
Mind
Are you a
your own
Christian?
business.
Are you a Christian?
I am.
Are you brave enough to answer me?
I am.
Why God give wives
No,
of
are
David
you
to the
talking
neighbor?
to me?
Why? Okay, so don't interfere then.
Please, please,
If you
please.
don't have knowledge, don't interfere then.
Please, don't
We
listen to
Muslims can defend all the
bullshit.
time. We following the truth. We defend
Can
all
you
the time.
see?
Okay,
Can you see?
For your
Excuse me,
sake,
sir.
We're
for
talking
your
about
sake,
paedophilia
for your sake,
of your
I'll
people.
give him 5 minutes and I want 5
That's what
minutes.
we're
If,
talking
if you agree on that, we'll talk about it.
No.
I'll give you 5
Stay
minutes.
focused
Not
right
5
now.
hours.
You
His
came-
question never
you
finished.
came-
Question after
You
question
want
after
to change the
question,
subject.
so he
We're
cannot
talking
answer.
about
I will give you 5 minutes
your
first,
people.
and then you give me 5 minutes.
You have, for your information, clearly you are confused. Oh yeah. So let me tell you, you have
Are you talking to
interrupted.
the mirror?
I am
Is the
talking
mirror
to
in
you.
front of you?
Yeah, Are you a
Confused?
mirror?
You
Are
the
you a
confused.
mirror?
You are the confused.
Are you a mirror?
Are you
I am
agreeing?
facing you.
Are you agreeing with me?
Are you-
5 minutes, 5 minutes. Are you agreeing? Is it fair?
2
Yes, is
minutes
it fair?
each.
2 minutes. No. One topic. One topic. You see what he's doing?
Who
Respects
women?
No.
Who respects women?
The Bible.
The Bible.
No.
Or
That is the. You
Or-
see how he's changing it?
Christianity, or
Christianity.
Islam.
I say women.
Who respects
I will
women? 2
I
minutes
will
each.
give him 5 minutes.
Hello, my
and
dear
then he'll give me
Joker.
5 minutes for the question.
Are you willing to face
I'm
a
not
debate?
agreeing. I'm not agreeing with
5
your
minutes, I'll get
I'm not
bored
agreeing
to
with your
death with you.
No.
2
I'm
minutes
not saying 5
each.
minutes each. I'm not saying 5 minutes each. I say I'll give you 5 minutes to ask me anything about Islam. Then you give me 5 minutes to ask you anything.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
If you care.
So you have any questions?
Excuse me, my dear.
I'll give you 5 minutes.
Look, I haven't got. Excuse me. 2 minutes
asking
each.
me
2 minutes each. Who respects women? Christianity or Islam?
Okay, that's
Would
fair.
you like
That's
to
fair.
debate?
That's fair.
Would you like to
You
debate?
see? Yes.
Good.
of course.
2 minutes each.
No.
Can we have someone time for us,
hang on,
please?
hang on.
Anyone who can time for
Time
us?
Someone
who can
time
Thank
it.
you. Ready?
No.
Would you like to go first or should I go first?
No, one second. He was asking a question about.
No. You
pubes
are.
and
Don't
girl.
worry. Don't worry.
Pubes
We have
and
moved
girl.
on. We have moved
That's
on.
why I came here. Because my Muslim brother had no clue. He wasn't. He doesn't know
Sure,
what it-
sure.
So I can understand that.
We can wrap that up.
I
and start
will
the
address
debate,
his
if you like.
question. I will address his question. So do I. Never seen a Christian. Those who call Holy Spirit, they are clueless.
Are you
So
clueless?
that can't be Holy
I am
Spirit.
here right now.
Calm down.
Why this young gentleman?
Don't be angry. Don't be
What's wrong
angry.
with it?
Excuse me.
We don't be alcohol.
I'm a young gentleman.
Listen to him. Listen to
If you want
him.
to.
He's telling you to shut up. He's telling you to shut up. Just shut up then.
Is that loose enough? You seem to be waffling on. Stay focused right now. Stay focused right now. 2 minutes each.
This childish
2 minutes each. No, stay focused.
He's insulting
Stay
childish.
focused.
Stay focused. No.
Stay focused.
He's not on my
2
level.
minutes
He's
each.
so low life.
No. Don't push
My
me.
God,
Don't
Mickey
come.
Mouse.
No, look.
He's
See what you're doing.
Book of Mickey
See
Mouse.
what you're
But
doing.
he's so low
See
level.
what you're doing.
I don't know why.
See
you
what
were
you're
aggressive
doing.
with it.
See what you're
I
doing.
don't want. I want to answer
2
your
minutes
question,
each.
and I want you to
2
answer
minutes
my
each.
question.
Good. We are ready.
No. Hang on, mate. What are you going for?
2 minutes. Hey, Abbas.
I will not.
Excuse me,
let
Abbas.
these
Abbas.
people-
Abbas. I don't know
I'm
if you
gonna
know.
give you 5
Excuse me.
minutes.
Abbas, I don't know
I'm
if you
here
know.
for 10
Excuse me.
minutes.
Once.
I'm here for 10 minutes.
I don't know if you know. You
5
have been
minutes
coming
you,
into
5
me.
minutes me.
Sure. But if you can
you-
stay
do you agree
there,
with me or no?
No. Stay there.
Okay.
Don't
Why-
come into me. The bag is repeatedly hitting me. It's good. I didn't mean that. 2 minutes.
No.
2 minutes
No.
each.
I
Are you
will not
afraid
let
of
this
me?
demon possess.
How many of you would like to find out
5 minutes and 10 minutes.
how many would like to know who respects
5 minutes,
women?
5 minutes.
The Bible,
5 minutes,
Christianity, or Islam?
No.
How many would like to
I am
know
going to address
who
that.
respects women? How many would like to know? Please put your hands up. Good. We have many people. Audience have decided.
Debate.
Abbas is coming near me again. With your please
What's your
stay.
problem, man?
Please give me space. Within 2
I'm
minutes.
not gay. I'm not gay or anything. Yeah.
I know, that's exactly why I want you to give me my
This
space.
man is more closer to you.
Thank you.
This man is more closer to you.
He's not encroaching.
Stop trying to take
Listen
high.
to me.
Stop trying
Please
to take
listen
high
to me.
moral ground.
Please listen
But you
to me.
can't.
Please.
Don't even
Stay
try
there.
that.
2 minutes each. Time. Would you like to go first?
It's a fake.
Should I go
It's a
first?
fake one. It's only
Please
for
remove. It's
25.
not doing you good. Please remove.
No,
2
no,
minutes each.
I'm not doing it.
Good. Thank
Force your
you.
opinion on
2
me.
minutes
No,
each.
I'm not agreeing on that.
Terrified already.
Terrified.
Terrified.
I am saying his question I will answer in 5
Enough,
minutes.
enough,
My question you answer
Stay
in 5
focused.
minutes.
Stay focused.
Are
2
you agreeing?
minutes.
Are you agreeing or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Last chance. You see? 5
What did I
minutes
tell
you,
you?
5 minutes me.
What did I tell
You
you?
going to ask me? What's your problem, man?
Don't touch me. Give me my space. Please there. Your hand. If you extend your hand from there,
You're not
can
my
you
man.
imagine
You're
where it
not
will
my
go? Please take it.
Last
2 minutes each.
5 minutes.
Look at him run away.
5 minutes. I'm
Look
not doing
at
it.
Abbas.
You can say whatever you like.
One of the least popular jokers at Speaker's Corner. Look at him run away right now.
Last chance. Last chance. I'm
2
not-
minutes each. We
I'm
start
not
right now.
He came here.
Who wants to go
I'm the
first?
one
You
who
or
actually
me?
came here.
Can I
But
go
he's
first?
so
How
afraid.
would you like to go first?
What he wants to do it.
Would you
he-
like
he
to go
does
first?
No.
Should I go
5
first?
minutes you.
2 minutes
No, no.
each. Please go ahead.
Last chance. 5 minutes you gonna ask anything about Islam? 5 minutes me. Brother.
Hey. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Flat on my face. Stay away.
You stupid
Stay away.
cunt.
Stay away. Stay away. Stay away.
All right,
Mafia gang, go tell them. Go. Stay away. Stay away.
that's what I said to you.
Stay away. Thank you.
Don't touch me. Don't come too close. I never touch you.
Calm down.
Excuse me. Stay away.
Calm down.
Stay away. Thank you.
Calm down.
Don't talk to your Islamic mafia gang friends for too long.
Or you can talk to your Christian mafia if that's what you like.
Excuse me, sir. no
Come on, 2
Christian
minutes. 2 minutes. Come on, Abbas.
And he's going to ask me anything for 5 minutes about Islam and I'll answer inshallah.
Now, can you see how the man has cooled down?
I'm going to ask
Now
him-
he is terrified. He knows the 2 minutes each debate is going to leave him.
Are you okay? Are you on your medication?
I'm fine. Fine. Your medication I didn't take. I didn't take your medication. Stay for 2 minutes each. Time is start.
Everybody get-
Okay, that's fine. I can start. Excuse me, sir. Okay.
Be happy, call me scared. I'm scared of you.
All right, dear friends. Did you see what happened, my dear Muslim friend? Any Muslim friend who is able to take 5 steps forward and come here and engage with me on this topic. Does Islam respect women intrinsically equal to men? The answer is no, but if you think you can defend and still play mace, please step forward. Don't look around here and there now. So far you are watching me carefully, now you are looking everywhere. Everywhere else. You don't want to make eye contact, you sir. Would you like to come here? What's that? you back, please come here. You're good, I know you're good. You're good from a distance. Tamim, you did not answer. You disagreed with the Quran. Yet you had the audacity to go and kiss a book which says pre-pubescent girls you can divorce. That gentleman over there, he was ashamed to agree with me on camera to the same point that has been made in the Quran. When I asked him what is instructed in the Quran to him as a question, as he would do. Well, exactly. Would you commit a sexual act with a girl who is pre-pubescent? He got terribly afraid looking at me. But the problem is, that is what the Quran tells him as something he could do. Yet, he walks around with his schizophrenia. He got upset with me, but with his Quran, he does not get upset. Why?
Why?
Because he knows when he goes back to wherever he lives, his fellow mafia gang members would do terrible things to him.
Okay.
Terrible things to him when it comes to rejecting this book. My dear friends,
Yeah.
what is the problem that Islam has?
Everything.
Almost everything about Islam is terrible. For example, number one, this book demeans, disrespects, demoralizes, removes identities of women across the world. So 50% of our population are gone already. Gone. The only thing that Muslim women can be happy about is that they are better than Jews and Christians. Because according to this book, Jews and Christians are worse, are the worst of creatures. Are like swine, like ass, like essentially one of the most basic animals you can think of. Jews and Christians are like that. And therefore, the only reason Islamic women can be happy, despite the fact that they receive a terrible treatment at the hands of the Muslim men, is the fact that Muslim women are at least called human beings, whereas Jews and Christians are considered to be genocidal targets, Nazi and fascist targets. So Islam is terrible in multiple different ways. Women gone. Christians, anyone who claims to be a Christian, about 2 billion other people on the face of the earth, gone. Jews, just a few million. Yet